In the heart of the Masai Mara, a remarkable bird appears, the vibrant yellow weaver. In their hundreds, they gather on a single tree, tirelessly weaving their nests. We watch as one bird, up close, intricately crafts her nest with her beak, gathering grass, hanging beneath the nest, perfecting her work. These master architects, generation after generation, continue this age-old craft. With a final hover, the wings flutter in slow motion. Red eyes, yellow feathers, and black beak, nature's perfect detail.